Hey, what's up guys? So today we will be making a mini edible bouquet. What you will need: roses, of course. I have some chocolate bars, twigs and sneakers. You can never go wrong with those. I also have wooden dowels. Need those. Some Chanel stems and styrofoam hearts in case we use them. I have some tissue paper back here. I also have some plastic to wrap the bouquet in because you cannot have a bouquet without plastic. And then also glitter and Mod Podge. You'll also need scissors and a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so I don't want all of the roses gathered at the top. I want to kind of layer them. So the front couple, I'm actually going to cut and kind of have it a little bit lower. That way everything lies perfectly and it looks really cute. And I don't want it to be hidden away. So what I'm going to do is cut a triangle. Or more like a curve. So that you'll be able to see all of it. So let me show you what I'm doing. So see, this is how the flowers would look now. That's why we don't want all of them at the top. I want to kind of stagger it a little bit. I think I'm going to take the front two roses and cut them and have them shorter. So this is how it's looking, you see? 3, 2, 1, just staggered. That way you can see all of the roses and nothing is hidden away. I'm just going to gather it down here at the bottom, just like a real bouquet. Alright, so then we'll sit that over to the side. And if you want to make it really fat and plump, you can add more. But I think this is actually going to be perfect. So this is just one bouquet right now. So, take all of your chocolate. It was so hard not to eat this chocolate, you guys. Like, I said no. Save it for the DIY. Save it for the DIY. So the bouquet, it works best when you have like candy bars. So Snickers, Twix, Milky Way, any of the little cute little candy bars. And if you want to go big, you can get like more flowers and like full-size candy bars and definitely use that as well. So essentially what we're going to do is take our wooden dowels and you're going to be glued to the candy bars and then they will slide right into place. So the candy is going to be intertwined in the roses. So now we're going to add glitter and Mod Podge to our wooden dowels to make them prettier so they're not just this boring wood color. You're going to take your Mod Podge, place it all over the dowel, and we're just going to roll it in the glitter. That's the best way to get it everywhere. Alright, so I have the Mod Podge and I'm just going to roll it. Let's make it kind of like a burrito and just roll it. Can see. You didn't get completely covered. Just like that. So we're going to do this for maybe about 6 or 8, just estimating. Kind of start placing them and then we'll see what looks the best. Alright, now time for the fun part. We are going to add the candy to our bouquet. The way we are going to do it is take the nice pretty glitter dowels that we have, and we're going to hot glue them to the candy bars. Just like that. And you can glue it straight up and down if you'd like. But I think I just want to put a slight angle to it when I glue it. And it's good to kind of have an idea of where everything is going to go so you know which way to angle it. So like that. And that'll probably be there. There. There and there. Alright, so just going to put a small amount of hot glue. And glue it down. I'm just going to let it dry. Same thing again. Small amount of hot glue. And glue it down. After I glue them all down and let them dry, I'll start placing them in the bouquet. Alright, all glued down, looks so cute. Now I'm just going to slide them into place carefully. Alright, so this is essentially what it's looking like. Okay, so we have these really cute little hearts, and we can just slide those in there. So this is how the bouquet is looking. You have half a dozen roses, you have candy bars, and also these cute little styrofoam hearts. If you'd like, you can curl some Chanel stems and add those in just for a little extra whimsical look. I'll show you that too. But you can definitely leave it like this and go ahead and finish off the bottom. So what I was saying about the Chanel stems is you can curl them. You take your scissors and you can curl the Chanel stem. Just like that. You see? It's so cute. And then you can just slide that right in wherever you can fit it. It's getting pretty full. So that's what it's looking like. So cute. So once you get the bouquet exactly the way you want it, you want to close it. So I'm just going to pull it together, maybe halfway to the bottom, wherever looks good to you. And I'm just going to take a little rubber band and tie it on, just to secure it and keep it nice and tight. Because the idea is to make this as though it's an actual, like a real bouquet. You will also need ribbon. just going to take some red satin ribbon that I have. And I'm going to make like a very simple bow. You could go for a nice intricate one if you'd like, but I think the bouquet is so pretty that a simple bow will be fine. All I'm going to do is just estimate. This is all I'm doing. And scrunch it just like that. And I'm just going to grab a Chanel stem. And I left the Chanel stem on the back so that I could just tie it onto there. I don't like to tie the bow onto the bouquet because if someone wants to save the bow or they think it looks really pretty, they'll mess it up when they untie it. So I just like to do it this way. You can hang on to the bow. So I'm just putting it on there and twisting it. And you can cut off the excess for sure. That's how it's looking. Again, you can add tissue paper, you can add more candy. Just modify it to fit the person you're giving this to. It's such a cute, inexpensive gift, but it shows that you put some time and thought into it, especially if you give them their favorite candy. Really cute candy bouquet. And I just added a little bow at the bottom. And again, you can add, whoever you're giving this to, you can put in their favorite candy. And it's just a very simple, inexpensive, but very thoughtful gift. And that is what it's looking like.